You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Airfix Grumman Wildcat starter kit. Now I have already taken a look inside the box. As you can see, I've already taken the pots of paint off. You get 2 brushes as well, and really every color that you need to make this kit. The starter, Airfix starter kit of the Wildcat. And I particularly like this one because I love that ACW scheme with the grey on top and the white undersides. It's always been one of my favorite color schemes of the Wildcat, and that's why I bought this kit. And let's also take a look inside. Now there's so much inside this box, I can hardly get it into frame. So many parts, is such a well detailed kit. As I said, you get all the colors that you need for this plane. It's gunmetal, yellow, there's the sea grey, black, white, and interior green for the cockpit. The brushes. And well, the rest of the parts look very nice, very well detailed. It's amazing. It's a great kit. The transparencies, yeah, they look very nice, very clear. And you can mount them in 2 different ways, like fully closed. You can have an open canopy, and yeah, it looks so clear. At the distance there's a bit of a lens effect, but it's when it's glued onto the fuselage, I think the lens effect will be negligible. So nice transparencies. The fuselage sprue, very nicely detailed, engraved panel lining. One thing, maybe the radio battery hatch is a bit overdone, but you could sand that down and then it would be okay. Still very nice. The wing sprue, yeah, you can mount this one with wings folded as well, so that's very nice. Yeah, I'm almost speechless at the level of detail. It's yeah, a great little kit. And look what they provide for the landing gear. It's, yeah, really, this is a winner. It's a really nice kit. Engine cowling prop, fuel tanks, the instruction sheet, yeah. Assembly instructions in all sorts of languages that I won't read anyway. Yeah, very straightforward. Yeah, even the instructions look nice. Yeah. I'm almost speechless. It looks really cool. Now, like I said, I really like this color scheme. And what's also funny is that this unit has a somewhat amusing unit badge. Yeah, I'm easily entertained. Now, unfortunately, there's also something wrong with this kit. In case you don't see it, I'll give you a hint. Did you see it? The national insignia are wrong. First I thought, like, maybe it's a version of the stars and bars that I didn't know. But then I saw this wartime photograph of this very same airplane, and it's just sporting the standard stars and bars. So the insignia should look like this, but instead look like this. And this style simply did not exist. And here's the decal sheet. It's a bit ironic that you would need spare decals or aftermarket decals for a starter kit. Apart from the mistake with the decals, this is a very nice kit and possibly one of the best in this scale. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for your time, and until the next video.